Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Purriko air freshener. So this goes inside a refrigerator to help eliminate smells. So it's approximately about 3 inches tall and approximately about 2 inches wide. So here's the instructions that come in it that says how it works. This is the model number Q8. Here's what the main constant is. It does say you can put this in a refrigerator, somewhere around a toilet, and like a shoebox too. It says you can even put it in your car too to help. Product has made technology by equipped with CH-cut alidine cataline decomposition technology. It can effectively decompose formaldehyde, TVOC, and other organic harmful gases, and is especially effective in removing peculiar smell with the characters of durability, high efficiency, safety, and environmental friendliness. Okay, so I guess we can put this in our refrigerator and it'll cut down on some odors. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.